Hi, welcome to Mariel's Quick and Facil. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these quick earrings. You can make them like literally in under 5 minutes and they look beautiful. As you can see in this one, I add one crystal down here, and this one I didn't add anything. So that's gonna be up to you. They both look beautiful and they're really easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. The list of materials is going to be in the description box. The list of materials that we're gonna use is really small. You're gonna need wire, and this is 22 gauge. We're gonna need these rondelles, and these are 4mm, 2 pieces of chain, earring hooks, 2 ripple beads. The list of materials is going to be in the description box. For tools, we're gonna need are flat nose pliers, cutters, round nose pliers, and bent nose pliers. So let's get started. We also going to need 2 head pins, and these are optional, you don't have to. So really quick, we are going to grab our wire with the round nose pliers. We are going to bend the wire we are going to position our pliers on top, and we are going to bring it all the way around. Rotate your pliers and continue. Before you close this, put your earring hook. With our bent nose pliers, we are going to hold this, and we are going to wrap around. And I like to do it 2 times. So that's 1, and that is my 2 times. I'm going to cut the excess wire, and with our flat nose pliers, we are going to tuck the end in. We are going to grab our 4mm, our ripple bead, and our 4mm. We are going to set our pliers, and we are going to bend the wire. We are going to set our pliers on top, and we are going to bring the wire all the way around, rotate our pliers, and pull all the way. This is what you gotta have. We are going to grab our piece of chain, and I want to grab it in the middle. Okay, so this is my center. And we are going to put it in with our bent nose pliers. We are going to hold the wire, and we are going to wrap it 2 times. We are going to cut our wire, and we are going to tuck the end in. And if you want to be finished with your earring, you are done. What I want to do, I want to grab my head pin. I want to put one of my crystals, and this is going to be up to you. Set your pliers, bend the wire, Put your pliers on top. Continue rotating. And what I want to do right here, I'm going to grab my earring and I want to put both chains inside the loop like this. And like I said, this is optional. You don't have to do this. With that bent nose pliers, we are going to hold it. We are going to wrap around. Cut the excess wire. And we are going to hide the end. And you should be done with your earring. As you can see, they're really easy to make, but they look beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. Until next time.